the reason why so many people don't do email marketing is because they associate it with sleazy or scummy, or they just think about the emails that are in their inbox right now, and probably 90% of them just look sleazy, salesy, scummy. The trick is here. Do not go dark, do not go quiet. And unfortunately, there's been so many hosts that I have seen from the hospitality community, which is my Facebook group, from even from the Boostly world, that have gone quiet, have gone dark, because there's been so many things that have been going on. But this is my message, and this is the message that I'm going to continue to say over the course of the next weeks and months, is you've got to be loud. The main message that I want to spread through this is that don't worry and don't stress about the things that you can't control. Over the past couple of weeks, there's been two different types of people in my world. There's been people that have been proactive, which is what I'm talking about during this whole series, and as well as that have been reactive. And proactive has basically meant that even when there is no bookings coming in right now, or even guests to serve right now because of lockdown and travel restrictions, there's been people that have pivoted, diversified, and they've been doing lots of little ways and means of being able to bring in income right now. Your post could get lost within hundreds of other Facebook business pages that are trying to get your attention. Now, the beauty of an email is that when an email comes into the inbox, when they click and open up your email, then its focus is just on you. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to be helping you and sharing with you content ideas that what you can be doing on your social media, those that you can be doing through email marketing, and those of you that can be doing so on your blog post.